In front of me is Itel S24, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. Once ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent in the pop-up. Click at the top left corner. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, click at the top right corner. Then bottom right corner. Set as live wallpaper. Yes. Set wallpaper, and over here decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!